New tonight, the country's top health agency has once again changed the way they believe the coronavirus is spreading. News 9's Gage Goulding reports with what it means for you and if anything you're doing to stay safe should change.
Good evening. This is the third time in the last month that the CDC has actually changed its guidance on how the coronavirus spreads. This leaving many people asking what they should actually do to help stay safe.
On Monday, the CDC published new guidance saying that airborne transmission is possible for the virus that's claimed more than 210,000 American lives. The health agency said the disease can spread by exposure to small droplets. Those small droplets and particles can linger in the air for minutes or even hours. This meaning the virus can affect people who are even further than 6 feet away or even after the infected person has left the area. The director of nursing at the Jefferson County Health Department says the risk of exposure comes down to two things.
In exposure, it's time and distance.
The more distance you create, plus less time spent with people, equals the best chance of not spreading the virus. So what does this mean when it comes to mask wearing, hand washing, and all of the extra cleaning?
All of that stuff is still super important. It is less likely that you're going to get it from a surface, but you never know. You could touch something that somebody has infected, rub your eye, rub your nose, maybe touch your mouth, hopefully not, but that's why hand washing is always going to be vitally important.
Also keep in mind there's certain places that can put you at a higher risk for exposure.
Indoors with a lot of people is considered, more unsafe than being outdoors and further away from a lot of people.
The most common way for COVID-19 to spread, the CDC says being in close quarters with someone who's infected. Even with the new information from the CDC, voters still turned out in record-breaking numbers to punch the ballot in person during the first day of early voting in Jefferson County.
Did you feel safe voting today?
Oh, yes. Yes, I think everybody that I've seen has had their masks on.
Everything's set up nice and everything, well spaced. Not a lot of people. It's in and out process really fast.
Now, as we know, the coronavirus is ever changing. For the latest information, head over to our website, WTOV9.com. Reporting in downtown Steubenville for News 9, I'm Gage Goulding.